Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your BitLocker drive using the CMD tool on Windows. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. Type CMD in the Windows search box, and then select Run as administrator. To unlock the BitLocker drive, you'll need to know the drive letter. Open this PC and locate the BitLocker-encrypted drive. Note the drive letter, for example, G. Now that we're in Command Prompt, type the following command to unlock your drive with BitLocker password. Manage BDE unlock G, password. You'll be prompted to enter your BitLocker password. After entering it correctly, the drive will be unlocked. If you don't have the BitLocker password, use your BitLocker recovery key instead. Manage BDE unlock G, recovery password your recovery key. Replace G with the correct drive letter and your recovery key with your 48-digit recovery key. In other cases, if you've set an external key for your BitLocker drive, you can unlock it with the BEC file. Manage BDE unlock G, recovery key, your file location. Replace your file location with your own BEC file location. To ensure that the drive is successfully unlocked, type the following command. Manage BDE status G. This will display the status of the BitLocker encryption, including whether the drive is now unlocked. If you no longer want the drive to be encrypted, you can disable BitLocker by typing Manage BDE off G. Wait for the decryption process to complete. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your BitLocker encrypted drive using Command Prompt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.